Alright, so today I'm going to be working on this transom. First video I went ahead and took out the old transom, at least what was left of it. And I dug around the same day and I found some 1/2 inch outdoor plywood. And this transom is 1 inch, so I'll be able to stack it together, 2 pieces, and make a transom for it. The original transom was a piece of oak. It was like, I don't know, maybe 5 inches. It came just down right above the brace, the floor brace that comes up. And what I plan on doing is making the transom a little bit deeper and a little bit wider. I'm gonna try to go all the way to each end of the boat. Even though this boat kind of has a curve to it, we're gonna try to at least get it all the way to the side and get it a little bit deeper. So what we're gonna do first is go ahead and pull some measurements and go ahead and get this wood cut out. Like I said, this is that brace I was talking about. So you have 4 bolt holes right here, and the original transom, or the transom that they had in it, came down to here. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of notch my board around this, and I think I got enough wood to make it 9 inches. So it'll be down here. Just stiffen up the transom a little bit, going down that much further, and also it'll kind of tie it into this brace because it'll be going through these bolt holes too. They just had it just going straight through. I'm assuming maybe the original transom was something a little bit like this and someone replaced it at some time. And then we're gonna go across, which I don't know if you can tell or not, but the back of this boat kicks up, and I'm not gonna get that intricate to try to put that curve on the transom on the wood. So I'm just gonna go straight across right here, and I pulled a measurement from side to side. It's 35 1/4, and it actually gets narrower. So I'm probably going to have to do a little bit of trimming, put an angle on each side. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut me one piece that is 9 inches wide by 35 1/4 length. All right, that's it for this little project. This is probably the 4th transom I've replaced on a John boat within the past year, and I'll have to say this is the easiest one so far. Part of that is due to just how the transom is made. So if you're watching this video and it looks like this is a really easy job, it's because this was an easy transom. The very first transom I did was the hardest one I've done. Every boat is different, so remember that if you're watching this video. Look at your transom and see what's all connected to it. If you saw earlier in this video, the brace in the transom, almost all boats have a brace that goes from the floor of the boat to the transom itself that kind of stabilizes it. And a lot of boats, or at least most boats I've seen, that brace connects to the wood part of the transom. And in this boat, I don't know if it's because of the age or maybe just the way it was built, it went straight to the aluminum part of the transom. So I dodged a bullet there, and that's one thing that made this a lot easier. I have done boats that have 2 of them braces that goes to the wood, and it's a lot of stuff you got to take off, and it makes everything hard to get to. So I just wanted to say that. And also, as far as what the wood I used outdoor grade plywood. You don't have to use outdoor grade. You don't have to use plywood. I think plywood is a better choice than, like, say like a 1x or something, because 1x, all the grains of wood is going one way, so if it breaks, it's going to break in that one spot and split all the way across. Now if you're using plywood, the way plywood is constructed, you have grains going this way in one piece, and then it's another piece of wood is the grains going the opposite way, and that's how they build plywood, so it's not going to fail in that aspect. That's why I think plywood is a good choice. That's why you see so many people using plywood. It's not going to split on you like one plywood would do. The main thing you don't want to use is pressure treated wood. You never want to use pressure treated wood against aluminum because it will corrode the aluminum. If you want to use marine grade, go for it. You know, that's fine. I think if you get outdoor plywood, or even just regular plywood that's not outdoor grade, and you put a good coat of something on it like fiberglass, you can do epoxy. They sell marine grade epoxy. That's what I did on the first transom I did, but that crap gets expensive. In my short stint of messing with these boats, I believe the method that I use on this boat right here is a really good way, if not the best way, to get a budget-friendly transom that is going to last a very, very long time. If you see, I haven't painted the transom yet in this video, and the whole transom inside and out is going to go the boat color. So it will still get a healthy coat of some kind of wool-based paint to give it an extra layer of protection. All right, I'm going to start running my mouth. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Like I said, don't just watch one video on how to do a transom, because every single boat is going to be different. Like I said, this is the easiest one I've run across so far. Total time of redoing this transom from taking it apart to putting it together, I mean, maybe 3 hours, and that's really great. I mean, I probably have up to 10 hours in a transom before. So, like I said, just keep that in mind. Not all transoms are the same. Every single one I've done has been different. But I hope this video has helped somebody, and you guys enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed making it. I am slowly but surely getting crap done to this boat. Me and my girlfriend moved it into the garage today. I wish I would have filmed that, her helping me move that boat, which it is really a light boat. But anyways, I've got a lot of work to do on the boat and the trailer, which is right here next to me. And it's going to be the next 2 videos of sealing up the boat on the outside and getting to work on this trailer. I appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.